Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later.
The backward inside stroke is quite a difficult push, and therefore we are going to learn a preparation move that is really going to help us for when we're ready to execute our backward inside curves correctly. So we're going to start with our upper body facing L shape slightly out of the circle. Now it's really important here to remember that our weight-bearing foot is going to be the directional foot. It's going to be your heel leading the way, like the front of your car deciding which way you're going to go. So this leg is going to need a lot of discipline to hold your direction. Your pushing foot is going to be performing a half lemon inside of your circle. Now this is a very unusual movement. Half lemons usually are performed outside of the circle to push us along. So performing that into the circle can feel a little bit unusual. Now, if I have prepared myself, shoulders facing out of circle, bend my knees, turned in, especially the foot that's going to do the half lemon, turning that in. We're going to press away from the ball of the foot, and again, half lemon around and bring that foot slightly ahead, and then back along side by side to turn in and start all over again.
As we practice this skill, we need to remember that our standing foot will be marking the circle boundary, and then every push that follows that will be heading inside of the circle that we're marking out with that standing foot. Ideally, as our pushing foot returns each time, it should remain slightly ahead, toes slightly ahead of our standing foot. And changing the observation angle here, hopefully you can see it even more clearly, that as that pushing foot draws back, it's just a tiny bit ahead of the body weight bearing foot. Once you feel you're getting the hang of things, you can even try joining up 2 circles worth of this exercise. So taking our first circle all the way round, a brief moment on 2 feet, switching the shoulders and heading off in the opposite direction.